Hey my friends, what's up? It's Rowan from Optimize FX bringing you another update to the three Amigos. At the start, we have now Forex Kingle with a balance of 2166, and it's been going really well. I can't believe how good these are actually going. So I'll just bring up a statement as well for that, because I just printed one out. And we can see here that we started on, I don't know if that's where we started, but I think we started at about 1,000. And then I made the mistake where, well, it stuffed up and it had invalid lot sizes, and I ended up closing a few trades in profit, as you know. If you've been watching the channel, there was about $600 in profit. So that's why we're starting at like 1634 here instead of 1,000. But since then, it's made a profit of 723. So that's why I've started it from when I stuffed up. So it's been going really well. So the we got gross profit, and then we have closed trade profit loss 492. So so it's made almost $500. Profit factor is really good at 3.14. Drawdown is really good, very low. Like the max drawdown it's ever seen was negative 65. It has short positions 78, long 80, profit trades 98, loss trades 60. So it is profitable, and 4 consecutive losses. We are running 3 pairs. So these values will be a bit higher, but that's Kingle. 3 pairs, 5-minute time frame. Yes. Yeah, 5-minute time frame. 0.01 lot sizes. So at the moment we're in profit. 400. 400. I wish. $4.18. So yeah, Kingle's been going really well, and we'll move on to the Orion Scalper. Don't know if you've checked out my other videos on it, where I've decided to go haggis, go crazy with it. I put 8 pairs on a cent account. We started at 50,000 cents, and it's absolutely going insane. But it's actually going really good here as well. So, and this is just one currency pair. So pound USD, M5 time frame. Pretty much basic settings, and we'll have a look at I printed out a better statement for it, because I think I didn't last time. So I started it at $500, and it has made a gross profit of $959.25. So total net $630. So really good. 2.92 profit factor. This is just running 1 pair. As you can see, pound USD, that's all it is. Keep going up. Pound USD, yeah, it's all just pound USD. So this is just 1 pair, and it's a high frequency trade, as you can see, like 706 trades in this time frame. Being that it's the 8th today, and I started this. When did I start this? Let's go to the top. Two days. Yeah, 6th or the 5th. So yeah, very high frequency trades. So $630 in 2 days. That's pretty insane. And then we'll go to the next one, which is Moneypile. Really solid. I really like Moneypile, and that's because volatility doesn't seem to affect it too much. It's only running 2 pairs. I might do a test and see how it goes with like 8. Or even I might go crazy and do 28. Do 28 pairs. That's all the Forex I'm not sure if it trades gold. I can do a test and see if it works on gold. But yeah, Moneypile, even though it hasn't made as much money, just bear in mind that it seems to be a lot more solid. You know, the drawdown's pretty minimal with Moneypile. But you know, it started at it started at 500, and it has made a net profit of 625. But this is over a longer period of time, I believe, than Orion and all the others. So this one was started at the 23rd of March. So you know, because it has been going for a lot longer. Sure, the drawdown's a little bit high, but remember it started at $500, and it has been going for a lot longer, so it's obviously going to have a higher drawdown figure here than some of the others that I just showed you, because they've only been going for a couple of days. So yeah, net profit at 675.27, and the profit factor of 2.12. So anything over 2, I don't know if you've heard before, anything over 2 of a profit factor is actually quite profitable. It's worth having a look at and worth maybe looking at for a live account. So that's the update on the 3 Amigos. They are all going really well, and I'll do another update in a couple of days and I'll let you know how they're all going, and may have an update on the $1,000 robot challenge, and I think I'll start another $1,000 robot challenge with a few different bots. So if you've got any recommendations or ones you'd like me to try, flick a comment below. If you like all these videos, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of the videos that I bring out on these robots. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks, bye.